All right, we're going to do a bit of a longer one here. So, coming back to the house is the Toyota Diesel 1BZ. It's on its way back. Machining is done. The head's done. It got some head. Let's see. The block is done. It's got a sleeve in the one cylinder. It's been bored out 0.25 mils over spec. Bigger pistons. They're in the house there. But I got to do some, house cleaning stuff. Yeah. It's got to be done. I have to make room. I got to get the engine stand out, get it set over here, set over here somewhere so that we're in proximity to the tools. Oh, and the tool. And, then we can start getting it put back together and getting it back in the Jeep. Yeah, so cleaning time, so much fun. So the 429, the KX450 motor. The 429 is on a roller skate, so what I'll do is I'll make space for it and it can go underneath. I still haven't gotten the bearings yet in for this one. They're sitting down in the States. I gotta wait for them to come up. So we'll get that put in over there. We'll get this dead KX450 motor and we'll stuff it in there as well. And associated odds and bobs and pieces here, we'll put them in a tote and they can go with that. They can go with that pipe and they can go underneath there. I'll pull some of the scrap metal out of there. That bin right there is all scrap. And we'll get this all cleaned up. And whatever's scrap down here, we'll go in there. Anybody need some F250 rims? Yeah. Right there, yeah. Oh, and the 350s, we'll make room for it, put it on the other roller skate, and it can go in there as well. I think I have enough room to get those two blocks in there. The heads for that one are up there. Pistons and whatnot for this motor are all here somewhere. Yeah, no, they're right there. So, yeah, and we'll get this all cleaned up so that when the Toyota diesel block is here, the crank that is hiding, over here behind rat fink. Here's the crank. There's the pistons. There's the injection pump, power steering pump. Everything is here. Once that block shows up, we'll put new bearings in. We'll check the bearings, with the plastic gauges and all the other tools and stuff over here. And, we'll put a OBS into it as well to make sure that the Toyota diesel works perfect with the Ford. No. Anyway, yeah, we got the mechanics gloves. We got everything here ready to go. I just got to clean. And I'm delaying talking to you. I don't know why TikTok needs me to be pointing at you, but poke. There you go. Yeah. So no heat in here today. We're going to go without heat. Why it keeps changing focus, I have no idea. This guy here, Jeep, hopefully, maybe, the guy that wants this, that has been asking me for pictures and everything, he shows up next week and buys this. That'd be awesome, because I would love to have that space. That means the KX450 that's back there, well, that motor came out of, right there, will go over here. I can take my bench, turn it sideways, and I can have a room to build my diesel motor here. And then, get space. Because right now I have none. This is another 450, dead 450. This is scrap that all needs to go to the truck and get taken out. There's the dead 450. Will not be resurrected. It's getting a 2-stroke motor in it. The other frame, I have another frame, is out of the welders, getting the engine mounts welded in. It'll be coming back soon too. I need to get Mr. Jeep sold. He needs a new home. Somebody want to buy a Jeep? Runs, 4.2 liter, bored out, 40 over. It's a screamer, I'm telling you. Got a 4-inch lift in it too. Runs good. Look, has a spare hood. And it even says CJ5 on the side, right here. Yeah, you don't get that everywhere. No. Look at that. Even says it there, CJ5. Can you? Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, that's the plan for the day. We'll get this mess cleaned and packed. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Don't get lost. Don't get scared. You'll be okay. You'll survive. It's all right. Bye for now.